Chapter 15.4 Successive Discounts. Now when we're looking at successive discounts, it's where more than one discount has been applied to an item on sale. So for example, if you buy an item that's a 10% discount, you might get another 5% discount on top of that. Now the total discount is not 15%. The sale amount is discounted by 10% and then the new total is discounted by 5%. So that's what we're going to learn to work out. So the work example 5 for this one is a furniture store offers a discount of 15% during a sale. A further 5% discount is then offered to customers who pay cash. So firstly it asks us, find the price paid by Lily who pays cash for a bedroom suite originally priced at $2,500. So we know the first thing we're doing is we're looking at 15% discount from $2,500. So the first thing is we need to work out how much is that 15% off. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll start with question A. We've got 100% and we're going to take away that 15%, which leaves you with, yes, 85%. Okay, so from here we need to now find 85% of 2,500. So we're going to convert it into a decimal like we've done before, and we're going to times it by $2,500. And that's going to leave us with $2,125. Okay, so that's the first discount. The second part we have to do is now find 5%. We're going to take a further 5% off this price here. Okay, so we know that 100% minus that 5 is going to leave you with 95%. Okay, so now we have to find 95% of this price here. Alright, so what we're going to do is convert it into a decimal, 0.95, and multiply that by $2,125. Okay, when you put that in the calculator, you're going to end up with 2,018.75. Now that's the final price that we're going to pay on this thing. So question B asks us, what single percentage discount does Lily receive on the price of the bedroom suite? So we're looking for the discount. Okay, the discount we find by getting the original price minusing the price that we paid, okay, which was that. When we put that in the calculator, you're going to have $481.25. That is what you've saved. But we need to find the percentage, okay? So what we do, we'll break the page up, we're going to have 481 and we're going to and 25 cents, sorry. And we're going to divide that by your original price, just like when you work out your scores for your test. We're going to times that by 100. Okay, so savings, original price, times by 100. And you're going to end up being 19.25. Now that's the percentage that you've saved. So you haven't saved 15%, you've actually saved 19.25% on that. Okay, here's another work example from work example 5. Ziggy purchased his tools from Tradeway hardware store, which is giving a 10% off sale. They also have a 5% discount to tradespeople. Ziggy purchased his tools that has a total value of $800. The question is asking, what price does Ziggy pay for these supplies? So to work out the discount, or the 10% sale, obviously we've got 100% minus our 10%, and that gives us 90%. So we're looking for 90% off the price. So to do that, we're getting 90% into a decimal, and we're going to times that by our original price of $800. This is going to give us an answer of $720. So that's the first price that he's got off his sale. From here, we need to work out the extra 5%. So we've got 100%, take away 5%. That's going to give you 95%. So we're looking for 95% of 720. So we convert that into a decimal, multiply by the 720, and we get our answer of $684. So after the 10% and then the 5%, we've only paid $684 instead of $800. We're now going to try to work out what percentage Ziggy actually got off his sales. So first of all, we're going to have our original price of $800 and the paid price of $684. Okay, that makes a difference of $116 that we've saved. Now, to get the percentage discount, okay, we get our price that we've saved, the price that was meant to be, and times it by 100, okay, to get our percentage. And that equals 14.5%. Okay, that means we've had a savings of 14.5% in the end. Work example 6 is trying to find successive discounts, so all equivalents to successive discounts. It says find the single price discount that is equivalent to successive discount of 15% and 5%. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to get 100%, and we're going to take away that 15%, leaving us with obviously 85%. Okay, we're going to do the same with the 5%, so we've got 100% minus your 5%. Obviously that leaves you with 95%. Okay, so from here, all we're going to do is find 95% of 85%. Okay, because we're taking 95% off this one here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to convert it to decimals. 95 times 0.85, and we end up getting 80.75%. Okay, now if we're looking at a discount for that, we're going to write discount. You're going to say 100%, and we're going to minus that 80.75%. Okay, and that gives us 19.25%. Now, as you can see, we had 15 here and 5 here, but in the end, we're only having a 19.25%, not 20%. So that's equivalent to successive discounts. So another work example from work example 6, we've got find the single price discount that is equivalent to successive discounts of 20% and 10%. So the first thing we're going to do is get 100% minus our 20%. I'm going to put this percent in, and that's going to equal 80%. Then what we're going to do is do the 100% minus our 10%, and that gives you 90%. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply or find 90% of 80%. And we do that by, again, converting our percentages into decimals. So 90% becomes 0.9, and we're going to multiply that by 0.8, which is our 80%. When we do that, we get an answer of 0.72. Now we need to multiply that by 100 to get to our percentage. Okay, so in the end, we get a 72%. Now from here, we need to take that 72% from our 100% to work out our discount. So 100% minus 72% is equal to 28%, and that is what our successive discount is going to be.